In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Monopoly Go support for account restoration. If you've lost access to your Monopoly Go account and need help getting it back, the process is fairly simple. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do. The goal here is to reach the official support team and provide the right information so they can review your case and help restore your account. To begin, open Google Chrome on your device. You can do this on a computer or on a mobile device, as long as you're able to browse the web comfortably and fill out a form. Once Chrome is open, go to the official Scopely support website at scopely.com/support. Make sure you're using the official site so your request goes to the correct support team. After the page loads, look for the option for Monopoly Go support and click on it. This will take you to the section specifically meant for Monopoly Go players. It's important to choose the correct game because support requests are organized by title, and selecting Monopoly Go helps ensure your form is routed properly. Next, find the support contact form and begin filling it out carefully. You'll need to enter your user ID number along with your account details. Take your time here and make sure the information is accurate. The more precise and consistent your details are, the easier it may be for the support team to verify ownership of the account and investigate the issue. If you're entering any identifying account information, double check it before moving forward to avoid delays. As you complete the form, keep your explanation clear and direct. Focus on the fact that you need account restoration and provide the requested details in the appropriate fields. Avoid adding unnecessary information that could make your request harder to review. A simple, organized submission is usually the best approach. Once everything is filled out, review the form one more time. Confirm that your user ID and account details are entered correctly, and then submit the form for account restoration. After submission, the support team will receive your request and can begin reviewing it. After that, all that's left is to wait for a response from support. Be patient since response times can vary depending on request volume. And that's it. By going to the official Scopely support site, selecting Monopoly Go support, completing the contact form and submitting it, you've taken the right steps to request account restoration.